In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and change line spacing in the WordPress block editor. Whether you're creating a blog post, a landing page, or any type of content, adjusting your line spacing can make a big difference in how easy your text is to read and how professional your site looks. Thankfully, WordPress makes this easy to do, and I'll guide you step by step so you can customize your text exactly the way you want. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to www.wordpress.com. This is where you'll access the WordPress block editor, which is the tool we'll be using to adjust the line spacing in your content. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. Alternatively, if you use Google to manage your logins, you can select the Continue with Google option and choose your associated Google account. Either method will get you signed in to your WordPress account. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. Now, take a look at the right-hand panel where you'll see a section labeled Quick Links. In this section, click on Edit Site. This will open up the site editing tools, which is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your content. Once you're in the site editor, look for the specific page or post that you want to adjust. Simply click on it to open it. Next, locate the paragraph block that contains the text you'd like to modify. It's important to note that line spacing adjustments are applied directly to individual text blocks rather than the entire page. So make sure you're working within the correct block. Now let's move on to the typography settings. On the right-hand panel of the editor, you'll see a series of options for customizing your block. Look for the one labeled Typography and click on it. This is where the text styling options are located. To access more detailed settings, click on the three dots icon next to Advanced Text Settings. This will expand the menu and reveal additional customization options. Scroll through the expanded list until you find the setting for line height. This is the option that controls the spacing between lines of text. Once you've located it, click on Line Height to bring up the adjustment controls. Here, you can increase or decrease the value to set the spacing to your preference. Increasing the line height adds more space between each line, which can be especially helpful for improving readability in longer paragraphs. On the other hand, decreasing it creates a more compact layout, which might be useful if you need to fit more information into a smaller area. Take some time to experiment with different values. You'll want to find the spacing that best suits the style and purpose of your content. Whether you're aiming for a clean, open design or a tighter, information-dense layout, adjusting the line height gives you the flexibility to achieve your desired look. And that's it. You've now learned how to add and change line spacing in the WordPress block editor. By tweaking this one setting, you can significantly improve the readability and visual appeal of your content. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.